What is the definition of a good career?
So what is the definition of a good career?
I would say the definition of a good career is something that you don't wake up dreading to go every morning. You're excited to do it, you're happy to do it.
A job must be aligned with your personality. Otherwise, you won't make it through the first day. And you must enjoy what you do.
When your career is aligned with your skill set, you feel a sense of fulfillment. You're doing the right thing.
When you know something that a lot of people don't know and you feel much better with it.
The definition of a good career is something that's going to put food on the table, because we're not talking about extracurricular activities, we're not talking about what you want to do in your free time. We're here to support a family, and you really have to look into things that are going to make that happen.
Think to yourself, are you maximizing your full potential? Are you doing the thing that you love? Are you enjoying your career?
Make sure you spend some time thinking about it, considering all the options, maybe getting more education, and exploring other possibilities that will make your life more fulfilling.
The most painful thing to watch is when you see a young man that has so much talent and so much skill, but is afraid to take the necessary journey for a career change.
And a student who pursues his career and is happy to learn what he wants will come home a transformed person. He will be boosted and ready to go back to class the next day.
It's very important to enjoy what you do.
If you enjoy what you do, you will never work a day in your life.
Are you proud to share your position with your friends?
Do you come home inflated or deflated?
Do you think you could do better?
Do you think what you're doing right now is your future and what you want to do for the rest of your life?
Are you maximizing your potential?
Do you feel energized finishing a day of work?
Take a minute and think, how do you really feel about your current job?
Do you feel accomplished in the work that you do?
Do you have a job that makes you feel good?
Are you using your full potential today?
When I see a young man that's in the wrong job and is wasting his talent, I can't watch it.
Are you right now in the right career?
Is this what's going to get you out of bed every morning excited to tackle another day?
Are you satisfied with your current position?
Are you satisfied when you come home? Do you feel accomplished after work?
Take a second and think. Are you satisfied with your job or career?